Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn the law. First, focus on building a solid foundation by understanding core legal principles and their historical development. This initial step is crucial for grasping the logic behind legal systems. Next, cultivate your analytical abilities to effectively interpret statutes, case law, and regulations. This involves breaking down complex information into manageable parts. Finally, dedicate time to mastering legal research, as finding relevant information is a cornerstone of legal practice. To learn law effectively, begin by outlining cases thoroughly. This helps you extract the essential components like facts, issues, and the court's decision. Next, utilize flashcards for memorizing critical legal terminology and significant case precedents, which are vital for quick recall. Participating in study groups is also highly beneficial. Discussing complex concepts with peers can deepen your understanding and prepare you more comprehensively for examinations, offering diverse perspectives on legal problems. Applying your legal knowledge is key to true understanding. Regularly practice writing legal briefs and memoranda to hone your persuasive writing and analytical skills. These exercises simulate real-world legal tasks. Furthermore, consider participating in moot court or mock trial competitions. These experiences provide invaluable opportunities to develop your oral advocacy and courtroom procedure skills in a simulated environment. Finally, pursue internships to gain practical, hands-on experience within actual legal settings. Learning the law is a continuous journey. Always strive to stay updated on new legislation, court decisions, and evolving legal developments to remain current in your understanding. Consistently reading legal journals and scholarly articles will broaden your perspective and introduce you to advanced legal theories and discussions. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Embracing lifelong learning ensures you remain a competent and knowledgeable legal professional throughout your career.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.